You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase, this very useful phrase to use in Italy. By the way, if you want to learn more useful vocabulary from Italian, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up at the end of this one. How do you say, how are you? How do you ask somebody, how are you today? You say in Italian, come stai, meaning how are you, essentially. Come meaning how, and stai is you are. How are you? Come stai. Now, note that if you want to be more formal, you can say come sta. If you don't really know the person, you just enter in a hotel, for example, and you're talking to the receptionist, you might want to say come sta. But if it's a not formal, casual, come stai. Come stai. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.